How I got 2,000 subscribers in just 90 days. 90 days on YouTube. And guess what? I did it without following that just start advice you've heard a million times. If you're over 40, busy with a career, family, or your online marketing business, and you don't have time to waste throwing spaghetti at the wall, this video is for you. If you're trying to figure out this YouTube thing, I'm sharing the 3 most effective moves I made before hitting record that got me to 2,000 subscribers super fast. So grab your coffee, your notebook, your notepad, and let's make your YouTube start and growth super successful so that you can enjoy getting money from your YouTube videos via selling digital offers, coaching and monetizing and your YouTube channel, and building your audience that actually starts to know, like, and trust you. So stay tuned for especially the third way that I'm going to share with you towards the end because it's going to blow your mind. All right. So if you've been watching all those just start videos and wondering, well, what if I don't have time to waste? Like, seriously, some of these just start videos say, just keep posting, just keep posting. I post 50 to 100 videos and you'll just get better and better. I hear you. I run businesses myself. I have family obligations. And like you, I don't have years to figure it out. Okay. That's why in this video, I'm going to give you a proven 3-step strategy to jumpstart your YouTube growth. I'm talking the real deal, like real things I've done that actually just shocked me. I'm like, oh my God, look at my YouTube views. Oh my God, I log into like PayPal and I got almost $1,000 of affiliate income from something. Oh my God, all this money now is coming in because I'm doing YouTube videos with just one video a week that takes less than an hour to get done. And this will help you also with your own content creation tips. So what I want to do is dive in on the first step. And this is really something a lot of people miss or forget because I did. Okay. I'm just going to say this is what I did. Right. So until I kind of got this kind of first move that's foundational to your YouTube growth, then everything changed for me. Seriously. So let's get you into digital marketing success. And here's the first move. Before you hit record, you need to set the stage for YouTube to actually find your audience for you. Use that supercomputer YouTube is that, and you just need to tell it who your audience is. And how do we do that? Well, you set the stage. It's all about your channel settings and keywords. So, did you know YouTube literally asks you to tell them what your channel is about? And most people skip this step. Isn't that crazy? I skipped it too. So don't worry if you skipped it. So what you want to do is you want to go into your YouTube settings and tell YouTube, hey, this is who my audience is. This is who my videos are for. And without doing this, you're basically invisible. For years, I was stuck with like piddly views in my videos. And then bang, I did this one thing, changing my settings, and everything changed. So let me show you how simple it is. Simply to help the YouTube algorithm go into your favor. Love that movie. May the odds be forever in your favor. May the YouTube odds be forever in your favor. Go into YouTube settings and then tell YouTube what country you're in. Yes, that does matter for visibility. Then add your channel keywords for your niche. These are the words YouTube uses to categorize your content and show it to the right people. This is important. It allows YouTube to show it to the right people, your videos. For me, I added things like how to sell online courses, digital marketing, and entrepreneurship tips, because that's what my channel is all about, like how to help you kickstart making money online. So once I fixed this, I went from 5 views on a video to like 100 to 200 and thousands. So, and it didn't take weeks. It happened immediately. So don't skip this step. I beg you. This is me, my eyes to your eyes, telling you don't skip this step, especially if you're serious about growing fast. So tell YouTube who you are, and YouTube will do the hard work for you and find the audience for you. That's the first big move. And by the way, I forgot to ask you, what do you think of the hat? This is the first video I think I've done on YouTube wearing a hat. Tell me if you like the hat, if you want me to wear a different color, whatever. So, so let's get to the second big move for you. So do you want to know the secret to creating videos that people actually want to watch? Okay, this is going to blow your mind how simple this is. Like, it really is. So here it is. Don't guess. Study what's already working. Become a consumer of your own niche, and you probably are. You know, Tony Robbins once said, "Success leaves clues," and that stuck with me. It's helped me build many million-dollar businesses online doing just that. So it's crazy to ignore what's already working. So you just go out to YouTube, find out what other creators in your niche are creating, and go check out their channel. And you're not copying them exactly because you see you're unique, your own voice is unique, and that will come through on your videos. But you need to follow viral frameworks that flat out work. And it's also using the algorithm in your favor. Okay. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. The research has already been done for you and it's handed to you on a silver platter. You just need to know what's trending in your niche and why it's working. And this is what I call my abundance analysis to get you rich. And trust me, it's a game changer. Okay. So here's what you do. And best of all, it's free. Yes. Did I say that? It's free and available on YouTube for anyone. Pick 3 to 5 successful creators in your niche. I usually just say three. Three is like a magical number. I love the number three. People who are getting the views and subscribers that you want, people who are similar to you. Okay. Go to their channels, sort by the most popular videos, and study their titles, their topics, their thumbnails, and the video structure, how long the videos are of their top, say, 3 or 5 videos, especially in the last year. And then write them down. Don't copy them exactly, but recreate them with your own spin on it, right? People already love these topics. So YouTube's already, like, people have raised their hand and told YouTube, we want this topic. So now you just deliver the same thing, but with your unique spin on it, okay? So it's like someone handing you a blueprint to YouTube success. Yes, it's that simple. Don't overconfuse things. So once I did this, I knew exactly which topics to create and get content on. And suddenly, instead of hearing crickets, I had real people watching my videos. Maybe that's you. I hope you are a real person, not an AI bot. So you don't have to figure it out from scratch. You don't have to stand on you get to stand on the shoulders of other videos that are already working. So, okay, let's get on to number 3. This is going to knock your socks off. And this has helped me get over 2,000 subscribers in just 90 days on YouTube. You want to master the art and the science of YouTube. And here's where most people focus on the art of YouTube, the pretty edits, the music, the aesthetics. None of my videos have music, by the way. But you know what matters the most, more than that? The science of the algorithm. If you don't understand this part, you're leaving your growth to chance. And like move number 2, where you're looking at the best videos for people in your niche, you'll see the framework kind of follows this. The science of the algorithm is that you want to get more eyeballs on your videos, right? You want to build your subscriber list, and you want to sell more online, like whether it's digital products or offers, or your coaching or consulting online that you're doing. Maybe you have a membership site in school and you're selling wanting monthly recurring revenue. Look, YouTube is like a machine. A machine follows logic. You upload a video, YouTube shows it first to a small group of people, maybe about 100 people, right? Then it watches how many people actually click on your video. And more importantly, how many people stay watching? If people click away after 10 seconds, well, that sort of tells YouTube that to maybe stop recommending your video. Does that make sense? So what do you do to prevent that? Well, we make sure your video has three critical elements. Clickable thumbnails, that's one. It's kind of like the packaging around it, right? Your thumbnail should make people curious. Ask yourself, would I click this? And hook them in the first 5 seconds and give them a reason to stay watching. So your hook not only gets the look, but also gives a payday for the viewer to stay watching the video. All right. So let me give you an example. You don't start with, and a lot of people do this, and I get it, but don't do this right away. Okay. Do not do this. Do not start with, hi, my name is, no one cares. It's all about the person who's watching. It's about them. Hit them with a strong hook that ties to your title. In this video, for instance, the hook is 2,000 subscribers in 90 days. People in my niche, who doesn't want that, right? Because then that translates to sales, right? Turning those viewers and subscribers into buyers. And then I also say, I'm going to give you 3 steps on how that happened. So people want to continue watching this video to see the 3 steps, right? So you want to create content that keeps people watching. So if your video promises like the 3 steps or the 3 secrets, don't give it away in the first 30 seconds, because then they're not going to watch the rest of the video, okay? Spread the value throughout the video to keep them watching. And I'm not talking an hour-long video. I'm just talking a video that's 5 to 15 minutes long. So look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. YouTube is really a science. Use that algorithm than just an art. So once you understand this, you can hack the system to work in your favor. When I started doing this, my views skyrocketed. I test thumbnails as well. I might change a thumbnail up if something doesn't work so well. And you don't need to be perfect on camera. You just need to get people watching. Master that, and YouTube will send you more traffic than you know what to do with. And by the way, a lot of my videos are shot just with a $90 webcam and a $80 microphone. Or I use my iPhone even, right? Look, so this little iPhone can make you a lot of money, okay? You just need a good strategy to be successful on YouTube. And I've given you those 3 steps. You want to set your channel up right, study what's working, master the science of the algorithm so the algorithm may be forever in your favor on YouTube. And that's how I grew to over 2,000 subscribers in less than 90 days with 1 video a week. It took me like an hour, less than an hour to do the whole thing, from recording, scripting, recording, and getting it published. So now, if you're thinking, well, Maria, I'm too scared to get on camera, look, I have a great video for you. It's all about imposter syndrome. I'll include it in the link below in the description to watch that. So it's fabulous for you to watch to get over imposter syndrome if you want to overcome that, okay? So if you want me to create a step-by-step guide on how to start and grow your YouTube channel, like a little more in depth that goes deeper into the concepts I just talked about, let me know. Just comment below. Yes, Maria, just leave a comment. Let me know that that resonates with you and you like that. Or heck, just let me know what you think about my hat or my Pac-Man machine behind me. So if you like this, resonate with this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Help me get to 10,000 subscribers. That's my next goal. Hit that like button as well. And for more smart business growth tips, I'll see you in the next video. Let's grow together. Wishing you absolute love and light. Oh, want to know how to make YouTube and creating digital products work faster for you? Click on the video right here that I also have on YouTube about making $1,000 a day or plus, more than that, where I show you how to create a profitable ebook in an hour using ChatGPT, free Google Docs, and Canva, all free tools that people can't help but click right now and watch. It's my viral video here on my channel, and you're going to love it. Hope to see you there. Cheers.